This is your USD News Minute. As the beginning of the spring semester nears, we want to build upon the success of our fall semester, where we recorded less than a 1% COVID-19 infection rate for those tested on campus. Some things to keep in mind: San Diego County remains in the most restrictive purple tier level. This does not permit in-person lectures or gatherings on campus at this time. However, some courses such as labs and others may be open. Nonetheless, we will begin the spring semester with remote instruction. Those arriving in California from other states or countries should quarantine, and COVID-19 testing will be mandatory for all students and staff who plan on being on campus this spring. Check out the COVID-19 Campus Action Plan on the newly redesigned Onward USD website, where you can stay updated on information regarding the upcoming spring semester. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.